Next, Chapter 2, Literature Review. Review of Method Study. 1. Feminist Literary Theory in Maternal Theory Essential Reading by Andrea O'Reilly. Feminist scholar discuss how literature reflects and challenges the societal expectation placed on mothers. This expectation often idealize motherhood while simultaneously imposing unrealistic standards. Feminist theory interrogate this dynamic, exploring how maternal experiences are influenced by societal pressure, personal trauma, and the intersectionality of race, class, and sexuality. So, motherhood in literature, according to Andrea O'Reilly in Maternal Theory and Essential Readings, feminist scholars have emphasized the need to distinguish between the institu- institution of motherhood, which is rooted in patriarchal control, and the experience of mothering, which can be empowering but also fraught with challenge. O'Reilly argues that much of the tension in literature arises from this conflict between societal ideas of motherhood and women's life reality. This shift in perspective is reflected in a growing body of contemporary literature, where inner struggle of mothers are more openly explored. Generational trauma, uh, described by Maya Yelhos Lifeheart as an ongoing collective emotional wound passed down with indigenous community due to colonization and semantic oppression. This trauma often manifests through behavior patterns, emotional distress, and coping mechanisms that are unconsciously transmitted to descendants. To, to support my analysis, I will examine four key literary elements in the novel. One, plot, used to describe how the storyline reveals trauma and its effect. Settings, used to explain how the environmental effects generational trauma. Three, conflicts, used to explain how protagonists struggle with her past and her motherhood. And lastly, characterization, used to explain how the main characters develop that her represent inherent trauma. Now to previous study. Previous study has explored theme of motherhood and trauma in the title, but few have examined both together in the post. For example, Paka focused on postpartum depression in the novel, but did not analyze the generational trauma. Similarly, Sipos explored psychological horror in the post, but did not focus on maternal struggle. Then also, we explain how about motherhood, but did not uh, explore the idea of generational trauma. There is also the theme of failed motherhood in Ashley of the Post by Rachel Mosley and Kristen Smith, and portrayal of intergenerational trauma in motherhood in Aubrey Augustin's They Lost. For conceptual framework, this research will use feminist theory to analyze how generational trauma affect the main character as mother and her relationship with her daughters in a scene of their novel The Bus. It will reveal how past emotional wounds can shape maternal identities and relationship. Okay, that's all for chapter 2.